Hello friends, so today we're going to discuss the first problem from the latest contest from CodeChef Lunchtime August. The problem name is mode of frequencies. So in the question statement you are given n numbers, a list of numbers starting from a1, a2 till an, and then chef need to find the mode of frequencies of the number, in which the mode of the frequencies is actually you just have to find out the frequency of all the numbers, and then the number which has the highest frequency is the mode of the mode of the numbers. So let's assume that, as you can see in the example, in this like 2, 9 and 5 occurs 2 times and 3 and 5 occurs 1 time. So the mode of this numbers is equal to 2. Okay, and then if there are multiple numbers which has the same frequencies, so you just have to find out the number which has the smallest number. Okay, but now there's also one more twist. The twist in this question is you need to find out the mode of the frequencies of the numbers. What does this mean? This actually means that, okay, the different modes present are, as you can see, 2 is a mode of these numbers. So like there are 3 numbers which has mode of 2, 2 numbers which has a mode of 1. So what does this mean? You actually find out how many numbers are there and which all numbers has which all mode, and then you can make the like a map to store all the modes, and then you can easily find out the mode of mode. Actually you are finding out the mode of frequencies of the mode. So I'll take it down to the example to make it even more clear. This is 5, 9, and then 2, 9, 2, 9, then 7, 2, 5, 3. Now as you can see in this, if you want to find out the mode of all these numbers, first find out the frequency of every number. Okay, so you can store out this frequency using a map in the original code. Let's see that. Okay, there are number 2, 5 is also number 3 also, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 1 time, 5 occurs 2 times, 7 occurs 1 time, and then 9 occurs 2 times. Now like use these numbers as the new numbers, so that let's assume that you have an array of these numbers. Okay, now if you find out the frequencies of these numbers, as you have seen this, assume that this is the new array and find out the frequencies of every number. So 1 occurs 1 time and 2 occurs like 3 times. So as you can see, now these are the new modes, and then the maximum mode among all of them is 3. Okay, so what you actually have to do here is you just have to find out the mode of modes, and then you just find out the maximum among them. If multiple numbers have the same mode, so let's assume that 2 has a mode equal to 3, and also let's assume that 4 has a mode equal to 3, then you will print out the smallest among them. And that's the logic part of this question. Let's move on to the code part to make it even more clear. First, take the input of all the n numbers and a map. Then find out the frequency of every number. So take the input of that number and store it in the map, the frequency of that number. Then we have to find out the frequency of those mode values. Then so what you can do, you will store that frequency in another map, iterate over the map values, and because the first value in the original map stores the actual value, and the second value will store the frequency values. So what you will do, you will iterate over the map value, and the second i.second will store out the frequency. So you will update these frequencies in another map and make a frequency of those frequencies. Then you will iterate over this new map and find out which is the maximum frequency or which is the maximum number you have seen. So how you can find out the mode of any numbers? Find out the maximum, which is the maximum frequency which has occurred, and if like multiple numbers have the same frequency, then print out the number which is the minimum possible. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to iterate over this new map AP and find out the maximum, because in this also I dot second, or this second element of this map will store the frequencies of those frequencies. So iterate over this and find out the maximum among all those frequencies, and then like find out that among all the elements in this I map, if it has the same frequency, then what is the minimum among all of them? Because we have to find out, okay, among all those numbers which has the same frequency as this number, what is the number which has the minimum possible value? And you will iterate over all these numbers and find out, okay, this number has the minimum possible value, so you will store this in mini and output the mini. I hope you understand. Because the constraints are relatively small, you can use the map to find out the answer. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code. Still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.